filing a prosecutorial discretion request in Texas or with immigration in general, that's something that for a long time, immigration, it's in the law, the US type of law, prosecutors, they have discretion. It's called prosecutorial discretion on what types of crimes that they bring and what types of cases do they bring and what types they don't bring. If you think about it, on the freeway in Houston, everybody almost is speeding. They can't give everybody a ticket. They have to decide on which one they're going to pull over. And that's a form of prosecutorial discretion that has always existed in immigration law. However, right now, we see that they are not giving a lot of discretion. In most cases, somebody would have to have a very exceptional humanitarian case to be able to get discretion from immigration at this point, prosecutorial discretion, that is. We have seen in some cases where somebody has a U.S. citizen child and they might give some discretion to allow that person to stay a little bit longer, finish things while they finish certain processes. But usually they are not giving prosecutorial discretion right now. The instructions more than anything are to prosecute every single case, every single violation of immigration. So some things that people need to know is that you can't really count on that in your strategy at the moment. In the past, it could be part of the strategy. If somebody had a very sympathetic case, they had a lot of U.S. citizen children, they had good job, good moral character, no criminal history, it could be worthwhile to ask for prosecutorial discretion, and maybe they might dismiss the removal proceedings against somebody. They wouldn't actually give somebody legal status. They just won't prosecute them and they won't try to remove them from the country as long as they didn't do anything to bring them to their attention again, any arrests, things like that. So now that that is out of the picture, for most people, you have to focus on what type of defense is available to you or what other options might be available to you. So if somebody has been here for more than 10 years, has U.S. citizen children that are under 21 years old, has good moral character, they might be able to qualify for certain defenses with the judge to cancel their removal and even to get a residency, a green card. Or if somebody is married to a U.S. citizen or has a U.S. citizen child that's 21 and they just never filed the paperwork, then this is the time to be thinking of those options, because somebody likely won't be able to count on prosecutorial discretion, even if they've been here for many years and they have no criminal history and they have a lot of family members and a good job and a lot of positive equities. Somebody cannot count on those right now, and they will make you leave the country. And wait the process outside. So this is the time to start seeing what options are available to you if you haven't done so already.